Hello, beautiful and wonderful Agatha Mind family. I thank you so dearly for always supporting us. I really appreciate your efforts. I don't take it for granted. In case you are seeing my face for the first time, I remain Agatha Progress and I bring it to you back to back. Remember, we react to all videos and all opinion is highly needed. So just grab your popcorn and let's dive into what is happening today.
Ana m ajụ na ajụjụ ọkwa okoko gbachaa ndị ma na nwụọ na people anwụgo ndị nne nwụọ ndị nna nwụọ afụfa na-ata ọbara na-agafe okoko gbachaa unu hapụ ndị unu ga-eme attack hapụ federal government hapụ ndị ọjọọ hapụ ndị full elders hapụ politicians unu ga-eme attack unu na-eme onwe na attack na-ezuzu na social media. Kedu ihe Simon Ekpa ji wee bụrụ problem of Biafra? Kedu ihe Simon Ekpa ji wee bụrụ our problem? Simon Ekpa Ogumi, Simon Ekpa or Malami, Simon Ekpa or Buhari, Simon Ekpa or governors who refuse to listen to the voice of the masses. Keriun na Zuzuru Opogobacha. Now Nalikan is still in DSS custody, languishing. Once when they post from Make, once when they video Make, once when they cook Make, or that go. Oh my brother, I got a moon who only me on what wiring and do Ogu. Wiring do Ogu. Oh my brother, Pam, my grandfather, oh Abuja, Jeba Abuja, old man of 93 years, we banana, now Buhari, Kerilizian Nandekano, where can the Kumake, or High Chief Mbazurika Mechi? The boy is good, eh? The boy is good, Mbazurika Mechi, Onyo Ombadike. I am proud, Ibonyobo, I'm proud now when I say, as a Nukuna. Oh, Nyawajere, we 93 years old man, now Buhari to against was Naga consider to release an Nadekan. Manunu no Kemwe, now Basamon Ebatako. Unu Buchundo Korobia. Okay, tomorrow Yasuna, no future leaders of tomorrow. And on Kush leaders Kunobu. Manando Kenya, Kazun will more sense and keep as well. Unabo Wuno war. But continue Babano Wuno war. But Santa actual range. But if what I say, Unobana useless you were again. Unobana team can't you were again. Cherendi we were again. Oturabwonya. I draw the Yana London, native in Nigeria. Koyano UK, not over there, but native you. Or you to be were again. Oturabo generation. Na old man. On your Nekumaka, Kelly and Nanekan. Unu tell you now about a war. Unbogun war. Nonsense.
Good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon, my fellow Biafran. Because there is an issue needed in my address. As an empath that I am, the thing behind Chumola. Ever since this guy made a match, I'm body as onye isi DOS ka bolia onye awadida men in charge ka honorable for the meantime na address for the anime in person of Chika Edoziem. Not I'm hating anyone, because in this struggle is only unity that can make us reach our utopia. That place I need dream since EJ. Also unity, love one another. Gebuwa ejeba ifra ineja. Mana him na afebo for the not the contrary to yana ekudi. Imagine ndesi na ina achonta na afukwazi anyị nwabuzi ndị nkefa na afukwa ya asokwa anu. Asibum ka mgba nketi n'okwu a. Because anyị akarịghị ihe si ya n'etiti anyị. And amaghị m ebe ihe niile na drive from. Amaghị m ebe ihe niile na-aga. I bet it's opposition. We are not talking about position here. And me could be previously na my video. And me could na ndị na walida bụ Ohamadike nwa Chineke nọ n'ime na-ata afụ. enwebedi mgbe o ji nwee any urge or desire or anticipation of ịbịa ime ihe na ọ bụ nke a bụrụ nke a, so for that ma o mete ya ka ekwu iri ya. Ọ bụrụ onye na-apụ onweghị o ji position eme. Doesn't think about okay position again. How many of we inside this struggle ga afunwo the kind of chance the zoo government more even.
The only thing that we know is sure is that at the end of the day, unity must speak. Yes, these people, they must work together. That is just the plain truth. They must work together. The peace must definitely come between everyone among the IPOB, the Biafrans, everyone that this issue is going to concern. They must definitely come together and work as one. In unity we stand, and in division we can never stand. If really everybody said, oh, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is my leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has affected my life in one way or the other, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has left a great and a massive step for us to follow, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has touched my life in a very miraculous way, then put heads together and don't allow the labor of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to be in vain. A house that is divided against himself can never stand. But if everybody come together in love and in unity, I think everything will work out. Now, why am I saying this? This one we attack these people, we attack these people, is not going to take us anywhere. Rather, it's going to make everything to be zigzag. The zoo government will just be laughing and say, look at these people. Just how many months that their master is not around, everything is just upside down. That is not really going to be the testimony that we want to hear. Neither is it the testimony that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will love to hear himself. So therefore, let's put aside every weight. Anything that is trying to hinder us, let's put it aside and let's move on. I just say, let me come and enlighten my people, let them know that in unity we will stand, and in division we can never stand. So, thank you so dearly for your love and support. I really do appreciate. Please do well to like this video, share with your friends and family so that they know the latest that happened all over the globe. I still remain your one and only AGATHA Progress, bringing it to you back to back. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe and join this family. See you when I see you. From me to you, I say bye.